Use your tongue against the top central part of your palate. Release the air slowly. It has a light hissing sound, so relax your jaw and the corners of your mouth. T versus S. T has a little explosion, puff, and it's a quicker sound. Ta ta ta, sa sa sa. So let's watch for the puff with the letter T. Ta ta ta, sa sa sa. Ta ta ta, sa sa sa. Be careful. S versus sh. Sh is frictional, so it sounds like you're escaping a tire, while S is quieter. Sa sa sa, sha sha sha. Let's test our lips. Sa sa sa, sha sha sha. Here comes a sentence. We kiss her on her small face. The end. Move on to the exercises.